Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine. Lovely viewers, today we'll see in this video. Lovely viewer will see in this videos modern, very creative and trending. You will see in this videos modern garden decorations ideas, landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos. Today we will see in this videos modern garden decorations ideas, landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like these one trending landscaping ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this videos till the end. Top creative and trending unique garden decoration designs ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish landscaping designs. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like these one stylish home decorations ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all creative granny square bedsheets patterns trends. Lovely viewer, you will see in these videos top attractive and trending modern garden decorations ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Today you will see in these videos modern and stylish unique landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all creative landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content.